Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are doing more upgrades or putting stuff into the new truck camper, like this stuff here. I've got our Reflectix and our mat for underneath the bed, and we're gonna put it right here. Come on. Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. If that sounds like something you'd like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys. This is our coconut core mattress, bottom to our mattress, basically for airflow. In these truck campers, they say that when the mattress sits right on basically the floor up there, that it causes condensation underneath. And that condensation can then turn into mold. So what we did was started to do some research, and we found this. We purchased this from a company called the Futon Shop. I think it was about $89. I just looked at the invoice, and it was all told, shipping and everything, it was $130 to get here. So kind of an expensive little upgrade here, and we hope it does what it says it does. Like I said, we are not sponsored by these guys, but this is what we have heard as one of the options to stop that mold issue that happens underneath the bed. So let me see if I can get this open, and we'll show you guys what it looks like coming out of the box. I hope it's going to be you know, vacuum sealed so that I can get it up into place as is before I actually open it all the way. But we'll see in a second.
Who am I that the maker of heaven wouldn't love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep.
There it is, guys. That's all there is to it. It is very well packaged here. It seems to be vacuum sealed. It is very dense once you get it out. It says here, caution, do not open with sharp object. Open within 3 days of receipt. I'm glad I opened the box. I didn't have any idea I was supposed to open this within 3 days of getting it. So yeah, let's go on in now, and we'll show you the prep to get the bed out and all that. I think this is going to be a little work, guys, but hopefully it will be well worth it. Definitely don't want any mold inside your RV. Let's go. Well, step one, I think, is going to be go ahead and get this bed out of where it is now. To do that, I'm gonna have to take all the sheets and everything off of it. I don't want to mess those up and get in trouble, so those will come off first. And I think I'm going to try a ratchet strap. The mattress we have is memory foam. It's probably about, I would say, 8 inches. And in order to get it out of here, I think I'm going to have to roll it up. I don't even want to try and mess around with it all the way unfolded like it is now. So that should be fun. This should be the hardest part, is wrestling this mattress out of here. It'll only take a few seconds for you guys, but it'll probably take me a bit. So enjoy.
Everything I need is found in you, all in you. Everything I need is found in you, Jesus. What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you.
Well, there it is, guys. It was definitely not the easiest thing I've ever done, but we got it done. I don't think the one ratchet strap was enough. You should have had at least two, I would think, but probably a third one on there would be the best way to go. It is not the easiest technique to kind of fold it into threes like that and try and get a ratchet strap under it. And it was a little bit of work, but we got it done. And now my plan is I'm going to just take it out of here, put it on the couch, which is right behind me, just to get it out of the way so I can work on the deck down here, get the Reflectix, get the mat out there, and then we'll be able to put the mattress back in.
Everything I need is found in you, Jesus. Everything I need is found in you, all in you. Everything I need is found in you, Jesus. When I'm lost, when I'm scared, everywhere you are there. Everything that I need is made in you complete. Everything I need is found in you, all in you. Everything I need is found in you, Jesus. Everything I need is found in you, all in you. Everything I need is found in you, Jesus.
So I've got this first piece rough cut, and I've laid it in here. It's upside down right now, and as you can see, these little white pieces here, that's poster tape. I showed in a video before when I did the closets, the Reflectix in the closets, that I used this poster tape on there. I'm just going to use a few pieces here just to hold it in place, and then I'll flip it over, stick it down, and then put some more as I move my way this direction. It just holds it in place so it's not all moving around whenever I'm trying to put in the next piece or whatever. I got the wider roll of Reflectix this time, but I'm going to need another piece also. As you can see, this isn't quite going to be long enough, so we'll cut that one next and get it in place. Should be pretty easy, guys.
In this world of hunger, war, and strife, we can together, all included, build a better life. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope.
Now I've got both layers of the Reflectix in. I hope you can tell behind. They actually overlapped about 6 inches or so. I just left it, so now I'll have 2 layers in the middle here. And it's not going to be that big of an issue. The Reflectix is only maybe 1/4 of an inch at the most thick anyway. And I'm getting ready to put that coconut husk on. I'm pretty sure it's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick. We won't feel the difference in that little bit, I guarantee. But this is Reflectix tape. It's kind of a foil type tape, and what I do with this is I'll put this on the seam all the way from the front to the back, and that just holds it to the other piece and seals it all together, so there's pretty much no air gaps that way. It's kind of a pain in the butt to work with because it has this little white paper on the back that's the sticky side. You have to peel the paper off as you lay it down. So for long pieces like this, it's kind of a pain, but it'll be worth it in the long run. There it is, Reflectix is all in. Both sides, right here in the center where you see that strip, that is the Reflectix tape that I also put in all the way to the edge. I actually tucked it up around underneath the lip a little bit just to hold it down some. And here where it's over the edge of the carpet, it's literally just laying over there. I didn't secure it down in any way. I really don't need to because we're going to have the coconut foam and the mattress on top holding it down anyway. I just used that poster tape just to hold it in place while I was on it so it doesn't shift around at all, really, pretty much. But that's it. I actually cut little sections out for the power in the front over there in that corner and in that corner, as you can see, and you know, clicked the little covers in over them, so it actually turned out pretty nice. It's a little bit short. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but let's see, up under there, it's a little bit short on this side, which is kind of a bummer, but you can't even see it if you're standing up at a normal height anyway, and that little bit won't make that much of a difference, I'm hoping. One of these days we're going to tear this carpet out here too. So all this carpet from here up will be taken out. And it also goes this direction underneath where the mattress goes as well. So I should be doing it now, but we don't have the flooring or whatever we're going to use to put down there when we take that carpet out. So that's going to be a project for another day, guys. You're going to want to subscribe to see all the projects and all the fun stuff we got going on with our new house. The next step, the coconut husk. Let's get this bad boy in there. It should be pretty easy, I'm hoping. We just unwrap it and it fits in place. That might be too much to ask for though. Let's see. Let's go, guys. There it is, guys. It was super easy. That coconut husk mat was folded in half, rolled up, they put that plastic on it, and that was it. So when I got it in here, I took the plastic off of it, and it opened up just like it is, only it was folded in half. I just unfolded it, and it was pretty much right in place. I had to kick it around a little bit to get it right in the right spot, and that's it. We're done. So hopefully this Reflectix will add a little bit of insulation, and then we have this bad boy to allow the air to come up and get up under the mattress, so we don't get any mold and or mildew later on down the road. We can't say whether or not it works yet, personally, because we haven't tried it, obviously, but we will get back to you in a later video and let you know if it actually worked for us, or if we got any kind of mold situation going on with and while we were using this, or whatever the case is, guys. There it is, guys. Coconut husk mat completely installed. The only thing left to do is to make the bed. Obviously y'all know how to do that. You've seen that before and done that before, so I'm not going to put you through any of that. But let's check it out. Let's get a little bit closer look. So we have, you can see here all the layers that we just put. This is the way up to the bed here. So here's the Reflectix, the coconut husk here, and the mattress there sitting on top. So once you get it all done, if I hadn't have put up the Reflectix that you can see now around here and then down this side of the bed, you almost couldn't even tell that the husk was there unless you got down close to look. I definitely give the install an A for how easy it was to put it in there, guys. It was well done, and let's see if it works. Well, if you're still here, thanks for sticking around. If you don't mind, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. That's fine too. And if you did give it either one, a thumbs down or a thumbs up, leave us a comment in a comment section. Let us know why you liked or didn't like it. Have you tried coconut husk before, or what do you use under your bed? If you use anything, let us know and we'll answer your comments. We love hearing from you guys, and we answer every single one. Well, as always, Semper Fi, and God bless.
Hi guys, Van Life with Gina here. I'll see you next time with on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.